Whoever painted the ceiling did not do a very good job. Oh well. It's hot. Fan is dirty. Is it worth it? That's why we're here in Hagerstown on Georgia Avenue. Yeah, Georgia Avenue in Hagerstown, not DC. To take a look at this house. It's only been on the market for a couple of days. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath home, asking $215,000. Been on the market for just a week, and it is 1,095 square foot. Let's go take a tour and see. Is it worth it? Corner lot. A little bit of wood rot and paint needed up there. Good front porch. Roof looks to be in pretty good shape. Definitely want to check that flashing around the brick. Windows look to be updated a little bit. We're going to crawl in the creepy basement. Take a look in there. Gutter's falling off. And we got a big, beautiful tree. I'd want to get that trimmed back at least off the top of the house. But overall, pretty good yard. Let's go see inside. All right, so we're good to record. Good in here. Okay, thank you, ma'am. I appreciate that. Good sized family room. Now, are you the owner or the tenants?
No, the owner.
Okay.
Yes.
Bedroom in here. Full of stuff, but good size. And here we have a bathroom, full bath. Fan is dirty. Here we have, need paint in here for sure. And this is, I assume, the master. We got 3 tiny bedrooms. This bed is super tall. Reasonable. Yeah, overall reasonable. It actually feels pretty cool in here. Dining space. A little water damage on the floor. Kitchen. Good size, clean. Good appliances. Got a pantry cabinet over here. And a covered deck off the back. Good storage space. And washer and dryer. Overall, it's a pretty good space. Whoever painted the ceiling did not do a very good job. You can see all the roll marks, but it is clean and it does have a fresh coat of paint. Now let's go try to crawl in that cellar and see how creepy that thing is. All right, we got a storage room in here. Full. Mainly just checking the roof. Looks like we got a little bit of water in that corner, but not bad. And we had an updated panel that looks like it was from '04. Doesn't. Oh well. It's hot. Yeah, steel in 90 degrees is a little warm. I knew it was gonna happen. And down into the basement, which has more stuff in it. And so it looks like they've tried parging it, but some of that stuff has come off. Doesn't look bad. Really doesn't look bad. Stuff needs to get out of here, but I like seeing level boards. That's a good thing. Let's see if we can't take a look at the furnace and water heater. The furnace is from 13 or 14, I think. 14, there we go. And let's see if I can get over to this guy. Find an age. Nothing on that side. I didn't remember seeing any vents inside. Could you imagine having to come down here to change these air filters out every time? That would be a pain in the butt. And we're just going to ask the sellers if they know how old this is, because I'm not finding an age on it. It looks pretty clean though, and you definitely don't want that. So that's a negative pitch on your line. That would have to be updated, just for safety if nothing else. Overall, not too bad. I got a couple questions for the sellers, but ultimately, this thing's pretty nice. Now we gotta crunch numbers and see what we can rent it for. It's hot. What do you think about that one? Is it worth it?